Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Count Life. I'm Adil, and we're here at
Kosciusko County.
That's right, folks. We're here at Kosciusko County in Indiana. Now, this is kind of situated up north in the middle of Indiana. So we're going to give you guys a little tour of everything we're going to be checking out when we're here. First stop is the Visitor Center. Make sure you guys stop here, check it out. Gives you guys an idea of what's available here, what to see, different things. Now, they got something called the Passport is what we'll be kind of following. Everything is done on the app. So everywhere you visit, you get a point. And then when you get that point, you can actually win different prizes. So it's pretty fun, pretty cool. Something interesting to check out, kind of like a scavenger hunt. So let's get started and show you guys Kosciusko County. The Visitor Center should be the first place you guys visit. They are closed on the weekends, but they did leave us this little goodie bag here. Let's see what's inside from Kosciusko County. Oh, there you go, some merch. Got a shirt here. What does it say? Indiana's Kosciusko County. Now, it did take me some time to learn that word. Oh, a tumbler, mug. Nice. Oh, that's the Trailblazer. So that's what I was talking about, the passports. Download the app. It shows you different things you can check out. So that's like hiking. There you go. Oh, that's the art passport. All things art. Some pens. You like it?
We have fidget spinners.
Oh, my son loves that. That is perfect. Does it say anything on there? Oh, it does. So this, yep, that's the Trailblazer again. All right, buddy, all yours.
Oh, a notepad and a coaster. Stickers.
Are you happy for the stickers?
That's me too.
Yeah.
Some brochures here.
So everything that you can get from the Visitor Center.
Over here.
There's your guide.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna actually check in right here at the Holiday Inn. This is where we're staying at for the next couple of nights. It's centrally located in Warsaw, Indiana. So it makes all the attractions that we're gonna be checking out centrally located. All right, so on the Passport, the Breakfast Trail Passport, this is one of the sites. So we're gonna be doing breakfast right here at the Creighton's Crazy Egg Coffee Bar. Loving the whole vibe here. And then my son's got his hot chocolate too. How's this?
Good.
It's really good? Yeah? I gotta say, this coffee is actually really good. It's caramel milk chocolate mocha. It's not really coffee, but it's actually very tasty. And I'm very picky with how people make this. Some Belgian waffles for my son.
Yeah.
Yeah, you ordered that? You picked it out? So part of the Trail Passport is this old Chinworth Bridge. So it's a spot that they want you to check out. So we'll give it a shot and see what it's about. It's not too far from our breakfast place. Welcome to the Chinworth Bridge Trailhead. So a little bit of trail walking. We love doing that. That's right. All right, so we are here at Winona Lake. Again, a short drive from our hotel, less than 5 minutes. It's beautiful. All right, so we're gonna walk over towards the canal area, which is just down this road. We parked like on the corner there somewhere. But yeah, they're supposed to have some type of boat racing going on, cardboard boats. Sounds like a lot of fun, huh?
Yeah.
Someone made an Ocean Gate boat. Kind of cool. Alongside the canal, there are some stores that you can check out. There are a lot of good things about Rocket Fizz, like a candy store, soda pop, right there. And so many options of candy and soda. So we are at Limitless Park at the end of the canal right here. Give you guys a little sneak peek. We don't even know what's over here, so we'll check it out. Hey, buddy. All right, so we're actually headed out for dinner now. We spent pretty much all day at Winona Lake. It's a cool area, very chill, relaxing spot. So we're gonna check out El Arriero. I know I'm probably butchering that name, so I apologize. But we're gonna check out some Mexican cuisine. Folks, have at Kosciusko County in Indiana. Now, if you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.